First, let's see the sheet music. This is the sheet music. You use your number 1 finger, your thumb, and number 2 finger, your index finger, for your right hand melody. Let's see how we use our fingers. I'd like to focus on the right hand. See how my number 1 and number 2 fingers are moving. First, we must curve our fingers. And this music is 4 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and try only 1 and 2 several times. Next movement. Make sure your thumb is coming inside. Next one. So let's listen the whole music with the amazing video.